guys, my name is Rebecca and welcome to Yarn and Pajamas. So today is like a different kind of video. I just seen a stink bug on my ceiling. Ugh. But today is sort of a tutorial, but not really a tutorial. I'm just going to show you guys one of the methods that I like to use for doing my gnome beards. And it is the method that uses acrylic yarn and a wired pet brush. So the other way that I like to do it is with felting wool, and I will show you guys that technique a little bit later. But so today we are going to put on a gnome beard, so let's just get right into it. This is the method I like to call the pet brush method, and it uses a pet brush here. This is, oops, I didn't clean it out from one other time, but this is like a wired old pet brush that I had. We switched pet brushes to where it's got the little caps on the end so it doesn't hurt so bad, but we never threw this one away, and now I use it for my gnome beards. So to make a gnome beard, you are going to need the wire brush. You're going to need your little gnome guy here. So I've got him all ready to go. He just needs his little beard. You are going to need some acrylic yarn. So this is just a scrap ball that I had. You will need your scissors and your crochet hook. So what you're going to do is you're going to take and cut a length of your yarn here. I just cut, but I've got some cut off already over here. And essentially what we're going to do, now this is going to be a little bit weird because I've never done it from this angle before, but you're going to kind of fold it in half, and you're going to decide on your gnome where you're going to start. So I like to usually start like about right up in here, and I'll go all the way down. So what I'll do is I'll just find a stitch and put my hook through it, attach my yarn, and pull it through. And now I got this yarn pulled through. I've got the loop here, and now I'm just going to kind of like tie a knot or whatever. So we're going to pull those strands through and then just tighten it up like that. So that's essentially all we're going to do, all the way up under the nose to here. Sorry if you know, I don't get all of the angles and stuff right, but I will get better. This is my first time using this camera stand, so yeah. Okay, so we are just gonna go on putting the rest of these on. see. Okay. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put another line down through, because when you are brushing out this beard, a lot of it comes out this way. Like, you'll lose a lot of the beard mass. So I'm just going to add, probably not a whole lot, but just like add a few more pieces in just to supplement. Let's say we'll start with 4 and see how that works. So we'll go right here. Oops. Add one. Let's add another one like right here underneath his beard. Underneath his nose, not his beard. Pretty much, you just got to play around and see how you want, how full you want it. Let's add one right beside of that one. And then let's go see what that looks like. Let's add another one just right here beside of where we were working at. He looks funny, don't he? So now I just check him out again, see what his beard looks like. I mean, if at this point you're digging his beard, you can be done. But I like the nice silky soft beards, so I am going to go on. So the next step before brushing out his beard is you have to separate each one of these little yarns. That's a mistake. So what I like to do is just take my yarn hook here, crochet hook, not yarn hook, and then just kind of go in and separate your little strands. Now this part is going to be time consuming, because in order for it to brush out good, you are going to have each one of the strands separated. So instead of sitting here and separating it all on camera, I'm going to go ahead and pause you guys, and I'll be back when I have him all separated. So say you just untwist these little yarn strands, nothing major, just time consuming. And what I like to do is throw on a murder show and just sit down and kind of listen, kind of watch, kind of mostly listen. And I just sit and separate strands. So I'm going to pause you guys, and I will be back in just a few minutes, and we will go on to the rest of brushing him. Look at his little beard. So cute. Okay, I'll see you guys in just a few minutes. Okay guys, I'm back, and as you can see, I've got his beard all fluffed out. And at this point, you may be thinking, I like his beard like this. It's super cute, and that is just fine. Your beards are your beards, you know. So what I'm going to do at this point is I am going to trim off some of this beard. And I have these scissors, but I like these ones a lot better. So I'm just going to kind of lay him down, get his beard, and kind of cut it in like a beard shape there. Like this. Be careful not to, you know, cut your gnome. And just trim a little bit more off. Okay. So here is this bit. We are going to start brushing out. So you just kind of get in there and go at it. That's what I do. I like to go underneath this brush, and like I said, it's gonna start coming out. Oh, my sinuses today. And every so often, I will pull out the fluff and go back in there and start brushing. Everybody has their own technique, and you should really, you know, do what works best for you. I find this way is what works best for me. I have seen on some like Facebook posts, people talk about using a like a flat iron for your hair, and like that helps fluff it out. But one, I don't have a flat iron, and two, I would probably end up burning my gnome. So we'll leave. He looks like who is that guy? Albert Einstein. So at the point that you get like all of the curliness out is when we'll really start like trying to style it. But I just continue to brush. Like I said, I will flip over. Sorry that the little scrapies are so loud. And brush underneath to try to get as much of the curl out as possible. Okay, so now this is the part where you just kind of have to be like a barber. You're just gonna have to kind of style your gnome's beard, I guess. One tool that I have found that helps sometimes when I am doing this is the felting needles. I bought these at Hobby Lobby. These are the small ones. Those are the ones that work best for me. on my gnomes. So one thing is his little beard. It needs to be trimmed again. So I'm going to grab the scissors and I'm just going to kind of cut in a beard shape here. Oh, I may have added too much. He's quite fluffy, isn't he? So at this point, it is really just styling, just brush, 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 until we get it to be how we want it to be. Oh, he's kind of poofy. Well, he has stopped falling out. So I am going to get this little tool. They're just, I think that they go inside of like a little like thing to help. But what I like to do is, you see like these parts right here where you can kind of see the knots. So you just take his little beard over and just kind of like poke it in. Do that just a little bit more, just so that we don't see, you know, the what's it called, the little knots. Okay, so at this point I am going to trim his beard. I think I made it just a little bit too fluffy. So I probably could have gotten away with not putting these in right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove them. So to remove them, all you do is go up here and just pull. See? You just pull it out. So it's pretty easy to do, as far as like if you add too much, or if you decide, oh, I need some more, yeah, that's way better. You can go in and you can add some more. Okay. So I am going to shape him now. And I'm just cutting at an angle. Like I said, I'm by no means a professional. This is just how I like to do my beards. And then I'll look, and whatever needs to be trimmed, I will trim. I do that little blending trick that the hairstylists do. See, there's a long piece. We want to get rid of that. Okay. Okay, so there is his little beard. Here is his hat. I haven't got it stuffed or anything, but it'll go on him like this. Yay. Okay, so there is his little gnome beard, all fluffy, and yes, all beautiful. So all in all, it probably takes, I'm going to say, depending on how long you fiddle with it, about 30 or 40 minutes to get his beard looking a-okay. See, and it's like I can't stop myself from fiddling. So, but I like a nice fluffy beard on the gnomes. There we go. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this. It wasn't really like a little tutorial, but it's just showing you how I like to do it. And hopefully you'll be seeing this guy real soon, because he is almost finished. Okay. Hey guys, I hope you really liked this. This was my first time making a video like this, where it was like showing you what I was doing like that. So I hope that I explained things well. If not, please ask questions down in the comments. And if you liked this kind of video, be sure to give me a thumbs up so that I know that you liked it and would like to see more. Like, I like to say, like, a tips and tricks on how, like, I do certain things. So yeah, so make sure that you like and leave me a comment down below. And if you're not subscribed, you can go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell if you want to be notified. But yeah, so I will let you guys go, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.